FusionFrame, the only maintenance-free door frame that installs perfectly in less time and maintains door unit integrity for a lifetime. Let's see how installing FusionFrame is an easy, time, and cost-saving process. We first remove the FusionFrame brick mold, which has been temporarily attached during the pre-changing process. Next, we remove the jam stop cover. We'll reattach both the jam cover and the brick mold after the door has been set and secured in the rough opening. Now you're ready to install the door unit. Set the door into the rough opening, leaving the brick mold header in place, and attach only the top screws partway in at the predetermined locations provided. Next, use FusionFrame's built-in bubble level to make sure that the door is plumb. Check the door plumb with a 6-foot level and then start the remaining screws. Because FusionFrame has a rigid engineered wood core, you only need to shim the 3 locations like a standard jam. Shim from both interior and exterior sides just above each screw, then fully drive each screw. The door is in. Remove the pull tab or shipping clips to install the jam covers. The jam cover has a full-length rubber gasket, no need to caulk between the jam and the brick mold. To install the jam cover, simply hook it into place, starting at the top and secure it into place with a rubber mallet. Once the jam cover is installed, all the fasteners used to install the door unit are hidden for a mar-free finish. A benefit of installing the jam separately from the brick mold is that the flashing can be installed from sheathing to jam. Now that the brick mold can be installed, after removing the covers, insert the leg of the brick mold into the designated groove on the jam. At the bottom of the brick mold, there is a gap in the wood core that prevents water from leaking up. With the brick mold in place, it's time to join the miters. Pre-drill the brick mold and screw it tight in the corners. A miter key is included with our optional one-piece brick mold to ensure a tight joint. Notice the 9/16 return leg on the brick mold cover. This leg accommodates up to a 1/4 gap between the jam and brick mold, and still contacts the integrated sealing gasket. Install the brick mold covers, beginning with the header, and finishing with each side. Now you've completed an installation that saves time, saves money, and is worry-free for the lifetime of the door. Only with FusionFrame from Endura Products.